Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. A very warm welcome to you all at BISP Solutions. My name is Farha Alam, and in this tutorial series we are going to learn about the outbound integration tool. So previously we had seen the inbound integration tool, which is basically used to take the data inside or into the Oracle Fusion. So opposite thing happens in this outbound integration tool. So what does this outbound integration tool, if we want to migrate or shift our data to some other tool or some other instance, so with the help of outbound integration we can export or we can take our entire data from Oracle Fusion to some other platforms. So and what particular tool in this outbound integration we are going to use. Basically we are going to see the HCM extract for the purpose of this outbound integration. So let me give you the quick overview or introduction for the HCM extract. So what is HCM extract? Basically the main way to retrieve data in bulk from Oracle HCM cloud. So basically this HCM extract, which stands for Human Capital Management Extract, is basically provided by the Oracle to in the Oracle Fusion HCM cloud in order to if we want to migrate or shift to some other instance, so we can take the entire data from Oracle Fusion HCM cloud to some other instance with the help of this HCM extract. Then we have HCM extract, basically a tool for generating data files and reports. With the help of these tools, we can generate multiple data files, and based on those data files, we can generate reports. Like we can generate some assignment details, related files. We can generate some all the HR related data, like we can generate payroll related files and organization details related file, department details, whatever details are there in the HCM, we can generate the files for all those data, and similarly we can generate the reports for those. And then we have HCM extract has a dedicated interface for specifying the records and attributes to be extracted. So in this HCM extract there are some database items available, right? So what will happen in this one? By using those database items, what we we should know the particular database items, like what records are available in which particular database item. So we can easily identify if we know which particular data item we have to use. So based on those database items, we can easily specify what kind of records we want to fetch, and in those particular records, what particular attributes or specific attributes we want to extract. We can easily identify or specify with the help of HCM extract. So this is basically the introduction of the HCM extract. Now I will show you the navigation for this HCM extract in the Fusion instance. How can we reach out there, and how can we create our extract? So let me show you this one. So here is my instance. I have logged in as the HR specialist, which is the username is Curtis PT, who is the HRS specialist. And the navigation in order to reach out to the HCM extract part. So here, if in the this springboard option, you can see the my client group option is there, or tab is there. So under this my client group, we have an option called data exchange. Either we can go from here, from the springboard option, and or we can go with the navigator option. So under this one we have my client group. Just expand this option, and here it is, data exchange available over here. So click on it. This option is basically we had seen in the loading part as well. So here is the HCM data loader which we had previously discussed. Spreadsheet data loader also we had covered. Now we are discussing about the HCM extract. So here is the HCM extract. All the inbound outbound integration tasks are done under the data exchange work area. So previously we have to load the data, then we can extract the data. So in order to perform the extraction, we just have to go to this HCM extract part, and under this one we have so many different options available. We extract results, extract definition, refine extract, submit extract, user entity details, payload rules. So firstly we have to define our extract. So in order to create or define extract, we have to go to this option, and here is the extract definition environment. So from here, this we can see the previously created extracted are here, and we can create some new extract as well with the help of this create or new option. With the help of this one we can create our extract. So when we click on this one, we'll be able to create our extract. We have to define certain options like the type of extract and its effective start date, what name you want to provide for your extract. So all things we are going to see in this series. So this is basically about the introduction part of the outbound integration. So all about this session. In our upcoming session we will create our first and simple basic extract. How can we create that, what types are available over there, what type we have to use. So we will going to see in our upcoming session. So this is basically all about this session. If you have any question regarding this, you can reach out to us at www.bispsolutions.com or www.bisptrainings.com. Thank you, everyone.